To add a product on your website, just go to the bottom of any of your page and then click on the key. This will take you to your customer backend. From here you could check your balance, log into your website, and pretty much do anything with your website that you need to do. Once it loads up, you're going to scroll down and click on the login button. This will take you to your dashboard for your website. This is the the front page of the content management system that controls all the files and lets you create blogs, add products, and all that stuff. Scroll down and click on WP Catalog. This is your catalog, or your online catalog. Click on there. You'll see all the files that are currently in there right now, and you'll also see who created them. Next, go ahead and click on Add New Product. Right here, you're just going to put the title. Now, to have a product, you need two items. You need an image and you need content. Content is basically anything that you want to add. Dimensions, descriptions. Again, the more the content, the better rankings you get on Google, the more popular your site will be, all that stuff. Well, once you got the content and the image, you're going to want to head and put it into the blog. So first, let's choose a name for the item. We're just going to call it New Barstool. Next, you're going to want to make sure you put it in the right category so it shows up in the right section. Right here, you're going to go ahead and select the image. This will be the image that goes on the thumbnail. So you want to make sure that the image that you put here is a squared image, so that way you don't get that weird zoom in effect. Once the image is uploaded, just by simply dropping in that image, you go ahead and hit insert into post. You don't have to worry about any of the other details. Okay, now for performance sake, go ahead and remove the first part of the website. What happens is whenever your site uses the full URL to load an image, it takes a lot longer and it causes more load on the server. This is bad for your account because you're going to end up having to pay more for hosting in the future. So just get rid of this now and you'll solve that issue for a lot longer. So another thing, go ahead and copy that URL because that URL is also the image. So click on right here where it says insert image or the image icon there. Right click and paste in that URL you just copied. You can put a description, modify the dimension of the images, but you don't have to do that now. Just hit OK and you'll notice the image shows up here. It's a little big, so let's resize it. Click on these little white boxes in the corner. Right now you'll notice I'm dragging it towards the center. Okay, and I just keep resizing it. Once you've gotten it to the size you want, go ahead and left align it with this button at the top. Right here. Left align, just like you would see in Microsoft Word. This will allow you to write text here on the side. You could also place images or do other things. Now let's load up that content file that we have. Usually this content is provided by somebody in the company who is good at writing, or you get it from the manufacturer's content. Let's go ahead and copy this. We'll just paste this into the section here. Or just Control V to paste. Go down here, you could include the price, or you could do as you've been doing in the past, just put call for price. When you're ready, all you got to do is hit publish. Takes a couple seconds. Then once it's done, you're going to notice at the very top of the page that it tells you that the page is now published and you could view the page. So go ahead and click on this link to view the product. The page loads and there's the products. And if you wanted to edit it, again, at the top of this page you'll now see a link that says edit page and that black admin bar at the very top. You'll notice that it's also in the Barstool. And that's it.